Okay, so post-apoc survival. I don't know what Lake Mary is doing with the Grim Workshop subscription. Seriously, it says it's been in transit since the 1st. So I don't know. I also got a crew cut. You know, like, anyway, I, God, okay, where I am, Lake Mary's maybe an hour or something away. They're not doing their job. Yeah, they're not doing their job at all because government, right? So yeah, hopefully I get that, and hopefully I get. I'd ordered a 2-pack of the Ozark Navajo knives. They're the ones that I use for sewing. Hope those come today. 2 to 3 days in a row of bullcrap. I swear to God. Anyway, the post-box survival. I'm surviving the wasteland. And I don't like doing this out. Peace. And God bless.